mayroon viral na Chinese essay na kumakalat online. Ang sabi, dapat may natatanggap na tayong ultimatum mula sa China noong 2025, surrender the Spratlys or face war. Pero February 2026 na, wala tayong natanggap na ultimatum. Walang naval blockade, walang invasion fleet. Ibig sabihin ba safe na tayo? Hindi. Mas malala pa nga kasi habang tayong mga Pilipino ay naghihintay ng traditional na digmaan, yung may deklarasyon, may naval battles, may clear enemy, nangyayari na pala yung totoo nilang strategy. At hindi tayo prepared dahil hindi natin ito makita. Ito yung totoong six wars na dapat nating bantayan. Una, pag-usapan natin yung original na Six Wars essay. Sabi nito, may timeline daw ang China. 2020 hanggang 2025, kunin ang Taiwan. 2025 hanggang 2030, reconquest ng Spratlys, tayo ang target. At may 4 pang wars after nito hanggang 2060. Sounds scary, di ba? Pero narito ang katotohanan. Source, Pro-Beijing Newspaper, not an official PLA policy document. 2025 na. Walang Taiwan invasion. Walang Spratlys ultimatum. Strategy claimed. Direct military invasion. Actual strategy. Gray zone operations. Maritime harassment. Coast Guard swarming. Fishing militia. Reclamation. Ibig sabihin, hindi totoo yung essay. Fantasy lang ng nationalist writer. Pero bakit tayo dapat mag-alala? Kasi yung totoo nilang ginagawa, mas delikado, mas strategic, at mas nakakatakot dahil hindi ito mukhang digmaan. Ito ang totoong laban na kinakaharap natin. Hindi fiction, documented, nangyayari na. War number 1, legal warfare. China claims historic rights sa buong West Philippine Sea. Ginagamit ang UN at international forums para illegitimize ang 9-dash line. We won Arbitral Tribunal 2016. Unanimous decision. China rejected the ruling and called it null and void. Bakit tayo natatalo? Legal victory pero walang military capacity to enforce it. War number 2. Psychological warfare. Coast Guard water cannon attacks. Documented, filmed, viral. Fishing militia harassment ng Filipino fishermen. Intimidation tactics, radio challenges, laser pointing, dangerous maneuvers. Layunin, create fear. Make Filipinos think. Hindi worth it ang Spratlys. Philippine response, protests, diplomatic notes. News coverage for 2 hanggang 3 days. Then wala na. War number 3, economic warfare. Documented incidents involving over 200 Chinese fishing vessels at once as a Philippine EEZ. Depleting marine resources, destroying coral reefs. Filipino fishermen, walang mahuli. Plus, infrastructure deals with debt concerns, tourism dependency, investment leverage. Bakit tayo natatalo? Economic dependency creates strategic vulnerability. War number 4, territorial warfare. Island reclamation, Mischief Reef, Subi Reef, Fiery Cross. Artificial islands equals air bases, radar stations, missile sites. Timeline, 2013, small structures. 2015, major reclamation. 2016, military facilities operational. Philippine response, protests. Limited ang naging options at responses noon at hindi natin napigilan ang reclamation. War number 5, maritime warfare. Daily Coast Guard patrols blocking Philippine vessels. Fishing militia swarms, 100 hanggang 200 boats, preventing resupply missions sa BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal, blocking oil and gas exploration sa Reed Bank. Bakit tayo natatalo? Force mismatch. China China operates over 100 large Coast Guard vessels. Mas maliit ang White Hull fleet natin, lalo na sa malalaking offshore patrol vessels. War number 6, political warfare, allegations and investigations involving political influence and economic leverage, online propaganda, troll farms, elite capture through business relationships. Result, split Philippine response. Evidence, flip-flopping policies. Atin ito rhetoric versus actual budget allocation. Public debates regarding defense procurement transparency and supplier concentration. Bakit tayo natatalo? No national consensus. Divisions are exploited. Ito ang nakaka-frustrate. Habang ang Chinese nationalist ay nagfa-fantasize tungkol sa 6 wars na may timeline, may invasions, ang Chinese Communist Party mas matalino. Defense analysts argue that Beijing calculates that domestic political and economic constraints reduce escalation risks. News cycle moves on. Issue dies. Allies are hesitant to intervene for contested reefs. Kaya ano ang ginawa nila? Hindi sila nag-invade, nag-occupy lang. Hindi sila nag-declare ng war, nag-normalize lang ng presence. Hindi sila nag-fire ng missiles, nag-build lang ng bases. At by the time we realized what happened, too late na. Malungkot ang situation, pero hindi pa tapos ang laban. Ito ang dapat nating gawin bilang citizens, bilang voters, bilang Pilipino. Number 1, demand accountability. Bakit limitado ang operational availability kumpara sa pangangailangan habang may bilyon sa defense budget? Bakit limited ang ating Coast Guard capabilities? Demand transparency, demand receipts. Number 2, support consistent policy. WPS defense should be bipartisan. Push for long-term strategy. 10-year, 20-year plans. Number 3, build alliances strategically. U.S. Mutual Defense Treaty. Good, pero hindi enough. Japan, Australia, South Korea partnerships, critical. We can't fight alone. Number 4, invest in asymmetric capabilities. Coastal defense missiles, fast attack craft, ISR cyber capabilities. Make it expensive for China to operate in our waters. Number 5, amplify the truth. Document incidents. Spread awareness. Don't let issues die after one news cycle. International pressure works, pero kailangan sustained coverage. Gray zone warfare thrives in silence. Make noise. Ang 6 Wars essay? Fiction. Pero ang 6 wars na kinakaharap natin ngayon, legal, psychological, economic, territorial, maritime, political. These are real. These are happening. These are designed to win without firing a shot. At ang pinaka nakakatakot, they're working. Pero hindi pa tapos. Hindi tayo pwedeng sumuko. Kailangan natin ng informed citizens. Kailangan natin ng accountable government. Kailangan natin ng strategic thinking because this is not about reefs. This is about sovereignty. This is about our future. Mag-like at mag-subscribe at panoorin ang mga video na nasa screen ngayon.